Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Porsche 911 Turbo S. First, let's prepare for an exhilarating start. Launch control is designed to give you the quickest possible acceleration from a complete stop. Before you begin, make sure your engine has reached its optimal operating temperature and that you have selected the Sport Plus driving mode for peak performance. Now, let's activate the system. With the car stationary, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down using your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot, pushing past the resistance point to engage the kickdown function. You will see a launch control message appear on your instrument cluster, indicating it's ready. Once launch control is displayed, the engine will automatically rev up to around 5,000 revolutions per minute, holding steady. This is the moment of truth. To unleash the full power, quickly release the brake pedal. The car's advanced systems will manage wheel spin and gear changes, propelling you forward with incredible force and precision. With a successful launch, your Porsche 911 Turbo S can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.6 seconds. This incredible performance is a testament to its engineering. Remember to always use launch control responsibly and only on a suitable, closed course to ensure safety and fully enjoy the car's capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.